napapacheer na rin. Ito si Mark, the Spark Kagiwa. Now to the chest of Barangay Ginebra. They're up by 3, 102 to 99.
Nasa sa loob. Bakit na gusto nasa loob siya? Because he feels he's Ginebra's best closer and he's trying to prove it with that shot right there.
Straight and throw for King Pulotsky Doodle, Mark Kagiwa. It doesn't matter what hairstyle, that winning touch is still there.
One thing with Mark Kagiwa, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin na ang tao na to nawawa